right, so this is going to be a little demo on uploading your pictures for the Math 1 pre-assessment once you have all your answers on your paper. This is a tutorial. I am using a Mac, and everyone's computer is going to be slightly different, but everyone's computer has some type of camera function. So you can explore what that looks like for yours, or you can ask us on Friday and we can figure it out together. But I'm going to show you an example. So attached you'll find a practice Math 1 pre-assessment answer submission, and you'll see on the very first slide I've entered in my first one. This is of course questions 1 through 4. As you can tell, the ones that you'll be posting, it'll tell you which questions to post there. And so for this practice one, what I'd like you to notice is that I folded my paper into 4 quadrants. So I folded my paper into 4 quadrants, and each quadrant is dedicated to answering a question. And that's what we're going to be asking you guys to do. That's why you're going to need those pieces of computer paper. You can use line paper as well, as I did here. Computer paper gives you a little bit more space if you're interested in space. So you're going to go ahead and have those pages folded and numbered. So on the back of this page, I have done numbers 5, 6, 7, and 8 as well. So for example, if I were going to go to questions 5 through 8, or where I need to post my photo here, I am going to use my camera function, which is called Photo Booth on my Mac. And so here we are. I can see my questions here. I'm holding them up to my computer. Questions number 5 through 8. I can hit my photo button. It gives me a little countdown and takes the photo. If I don't like it, or if I can't see something, then I will fix that by simply going to my photo itself. Questions 5 through 8. I can tell like maybe that's not exactly what I want it to be, so I might take another one. Getting it a little bit closer, maybe adjusting my paper. This is going to be a tougher process, you know, but you want to make sure your answers are nice and clear. So as best you can do that. I like that one a lot better. So that's the one I'm going to keep. What I'm going to do now is go to File, and I'm going to export this photo to my desktop because it's easy to find. And I'm going to name it my Math 1, and I'm going to say it's questions 5 through 8. Questions 5 through 8. And I'm going to just save it to my actual desktop because it's easier for me to find. So now that I have my photo saved, I know that it's questions 5 through 8, so I'm going to go ahead to questions 5 through 8, and this is where I'm going to post my photo. I'm going to click here to insert an image and upload it from my computer, and we are going to find it on the desktop here, questions 5 through 8, and I'm going to go ahead and insert that photo into my answer choices. And you can adjust it to make it the size that you'd like to make it. But this is essentially how you can get a photo of your work from your computer and get it imported to your desktop. And of course, there's a million other ways to do this. You can use your cell phone. There's lots of ways. This is just the way that I've learned. And if this isn't something that is easy for you to figure out from your computer, then by all means, you can contact me before Friday or even on Friday, and I'm happy to help work with you and figure out how we can best get the photos of your work into this slideshow. I'm also going to share this slideshow with you so that you have access to practicing using it if you'd like to prior to the assessment as well.